There was an area of land in Virginia called Back Bay that was almost at the brink of disaster, and I came across this data set here, the water quality data for the refuge collected by volunteers, collected once every 2 weeks. And we have turbidity, pH, dissolved oxygen, salinity, and temperature. We're going to download this data set, and then I'm going to begin doing some data cleanup. I have my read date that I want to treat as a date time object, and then I'm going to drop the years column, and then we're going to set the index to read date. We're going to sort and then just select the numerical data from this data set. And so I want to plot this overall data, and I'm going to do that using the plot method in the pandas data frame library. There's a lot of jagged features in this data, which may or not be truly representative of the trends that are occurring within the changes that are happening in this ecosystem. So what happens if we actually take 20 data points, average that, and treat it as one data point, and we're going to move that window down to create these rolling averages across this to just help us smooth out some of these jagged peaks and see what the data might be telling us. And then I'm going to use a rolling window of 15. You can see that these salt values has some periodicity at the beginning. It continues, but you can see that overall the values are significantly lower towards these later dates than the earlier dates. But I think when it comes to understanding their claim that overall the water is cleaner, it's more conducive for wildlife, we can really see that story through the salt data, this salinity data, that yes, overall, over the past 20 years, the salt levels have significantly decreased. And thus, this is why we can now be confident that the underwater grass beds are returning, as are the population of largemouth bass and other fish. If you like this style of content, I will create more. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.